Hey, we need those boxes and move them over here.
And who do you have?
I have most of the work, Judge.
Who's the,
Mejia.
Just.
all right, just ask them to bring him.
I don't know, yeah, I'll do.
Yeah, it's fine. He still has his handcuffs. I'm just waiting for my partner to come back. Thank you.
Oh, count 1 and 3, right? Is that one?
Yeah.
Okay, one's a second, 3, one's a third, you're getting 3 years. Okay.
Tara, who's your person?
Say that again, Judge.
Who's your client?
Juan Carlos
Take
Mejia.
order.
And he's in custody.
Is
Okay.
help you put in.
All right, as soon as he's up here, we'll take it out.
You just check.
No problem.
The judge goes through it all.
Yeah.
Or ask the judge,
Well, you were.
because he has 1 felon in possession.
Yeah.
So we need that. I don't know. I didn't do the paperwork. So.
And is there an application on this, Mr. Porter?
No,
Ya me estás apurando, ahora te voy a
No, no, en serio.
We're doing it. I got the plea up here right now, but I'm doing another page.
And Karen Gonzalez, it should be very
No,
quick.
they just put his fingerprints there about to.
To the attorneys on the jury trial, we're waiting a juror.
We're waiting on the
Okay,
jury.
thank you.
I mean, it doesn't matter, but just say Gary, just say, Gary, whenever you.
All right, can I have a file stamp for a plea, please? No problem. Bring this back to you. Cindy, are you ready?
Yes.
Court is calling 2024 CR 012793. State versus James Cody Davis. Could I have parties announced?
Jason Gary, here for the state, Your Honor.
I'll report for Mr. Davis.
And are you James Cody Davis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Davis, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, sir.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, state is proceeding on count 1 and count 3, waiving count 2 and count 4.
Any objection?
No objections.
All right,
And they're waiving the enhancements.
Or was there an error? Waiving the enhancement paragraph 2, Judge, just there.
oh, there is.
Here the judge is spelling out the possible prison terms to 2 to 20 years for one charge, 2 to 10 years for another, even though the deal is already in motion. The judge must make sure the defendant fully understands the worst-case scenario before accepting the plea.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with fraudulent possession or use of credit or debit card. Let more than 10 items, but less than 50 items. And count 1. And in count 3, you're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. Count 1 is a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years. Count 3 is a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison. And both carry a maximum fine of $10,000. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you were giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Davis, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on counts 1 and counts 3. Punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There are no applications. The state will take in consideration 2025 CR 006038. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to count 1 in the indictment, how do you plead?
No contest.
Count 3 in the indictment, how do you plead?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all the attachments.
No objection.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. And Deputy Lord, when you get a chance, they're bringing out Carrizales?
Yes.
Okay, I'll take Carrizales up after this.
This is the big moment, the actual plea agreement. The state and defense confirm it. 3 years in prison for each count, running at the same time. That's called concurrent sentencing. And it's way better for a defendant than having sentences stacked one after the other.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty of counts 1 and counts 2, and the court will find, counts 1 and counts 3, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Please, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we respectfully request the court follow the agreement.
And state, is there any restitution that's owed?
Because I don't have the file, I don't know, Duffy would have that, so. It's a to-do office, so I think that we won't be asking for that.
All right. The court is going to order restitution if there's any restitution.
I don't believe there's going to be any judgment.
All right, the court is going to find you guilty of counts 1 and counts 3. Counts 1 and counts 3 will run concurrently. The court will sentence you to 3 years TDC in count 1 and 3 years TDC in count 3. This is both counts are to run concurrently. Taking consideration 2025 CR 006038. There's to be restitution, if any, and no contact with the following person.
The court officially finds the defendant guilty on counts 1 and 3. From here, sentencing moves fast. Notice how quickly we've gone from charges being read to a locked-in prison term. Plea deals save a lot of time, but they also mean no jury ever hears the case.
And the court will give you credit for any time served. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Judge. When it comes to the credit time served, I need to check in. I believe he was in jail on this, made bond, was back in jail, but it was still showing he was on bond for about 1 month during this time.
All right,
So-
if you'll confer with the clerks on that, we'll make sure he receives appropriate credit.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you better do better, otherwise you're gonna end up living in somebody's prison. Oh, I have this.
Oh, you already have.
I think so,
Oh.
but that's okay.
Oh.
If it's twice, you're good.
Okay, folks, twice.
Yes. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Is that a thing, Mr. Davis?
Thank you for your patience to
No.
both my attorneys.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right.
That's what we're here for.
The judge reminds the defendant of the long-term consequences of a felony, especially the loss of gun rights. It's a standard warning, but it also drives home how a conviction impacts someone's life long after prison time is over.
Carazales. Who's here, Carazales?
But she's on her way up to that. I'm not sure that's her attorney. Granny said it's right there. And the defendant is, I don't know.
Yes, but he's not responding. All right, so we're just gonna give you a contested date and your attorney will have to make sure he makes that. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a date for contested hearing, please.
Judge, I'm present for.
All right. You say you want a contested hearing?
Yeah, Judge, she didn't want to plead true to the violation, but I think we've got some explanations and it's a unique situation in which she never really started the probation. She was in custody when she pled and then was sentenced and then went off to TDC. And I'm trying to get some TDC records. I'm requesting them today. I don't know how long that's going to take.
All it takes is picking up the phone and calling TDC and see
That-
where it was.
Well, I've never done it before, but
Oh, the
I went on their website. They have an email, so I'm sending them an email.
Mhm. All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can set this in 2 weeks for a contested hearing. And then if you were in TDC, then we'll find out.
Yes, ma'am. I was also gonna speak for myself. As I was in TDC, I don't mind the probation. I would actually like to, because they wanted to revoke me.
Okay, so you'll have to discuss that with your attorney.
Okay.
So we're gonna bring you back on August 7th.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you,
Yes,
Judge.
We do have confirmation that her parole was revoked and she was let out of TDC. There was a gap in reporting after her being out from TDC. So that's
There you go.
the,
so here's the thing, what I can tell everybody, if she's placed on probation and is revoked on her parole, if she's placed on probation and she's revoked on parole and sent to TDC, when she's released from TDC, she's supposed to report to probation. So we'll have a contested hearing on August 7th.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
May I be excused?
Yes.
Davis?
Jenna Davila. Blas Casimiro. Who is in the box?
We have Nikita and Woodard.
Please,
All right,
with Charles Paul.
all right,
I believe he might be lying.
Charles said he was gonna zoom in.
all right. He's not on Zoom, so.
I have to leave paperwork on Louis Alec Martinez. He's present.
All right. So Deputy Laura, can you hold them in the back?
Yes. Woodard, Nikita.
And then who is your person, counsel?
Hold on. we have
Louis
this-
Alec Martinez.
Louis Alec Martinez.
Hold on, because they're putting both of them in the voting section.
We will bring you all back today. Is there an application for this?
Yes, Your Honor. For deferred adjudication, it should be in there.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 6325, State versus Luis Alec Martinez. Could I have parties announced?
Joseph Stateson for defendant.
And are you Luis Alec Martinez? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Martinez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, again, this is not me that did that.
Your Honor,
The lead defense counsel statement.
do you have the written stipulations?
Yes.
May I,
Sorry, Judge.
Oh, no problem.
these are the admonishments. I'm sorry.
Oh, the stipulations?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
It's on the steps that one is crossed out.
Okay.
Will be everything except the very first paragraph. But it is 5 people. We're proceeding for people.
A little bit unusual, Judge,
Because there are no counts.
Yeah.
listed.
and because they're all grouped together. So we're waiving, in the indictment, the state is waiving the first paragraph, or not, I guess we're abandoning it. That first paragraph.
That is our understanding. We have no objection. There was 5 people listed. The state's proceeding on only 4 of them.
All right. Did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with theft, $30,000 to $150,000? Just one moment. I'm just trying to add up the amounts. Just give me a moment. Okay, we make it. All right. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you. You will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if your deferred adjudication were revoked for any reason, the court could sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Martinez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, no.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Absolutely.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $0 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution to Jose Ramirez, Jacobo Soto, Jesus Zuazua, Juvenile. I know I'm mispronouncing that. It's
Juvenile.
Juvenal Flores. I don't know what to do with the J sometimes. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor, and sentencing to have something to add at the appropriate time.
All right, state, is that the plea?
Yes, it's.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours community service restitution, no contact with Jose Ramirez, Jacobo Soto, Jesus Zuazua, Juvenal Flores, the life skills course, job readiness course, and money management course. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, sir.
Then to the offenses charged, with the exception of the first paragraph, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, City Exhibit number 4.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the waiver and consent with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? And state you may be excused.
Thank you.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and they review the same.